Good day guys, Bing here. Today I'm going to show you a very simple and quick trick. Okay, so sometimes we need to model some model in place model. So you can see these are all model in place, and they are different categories. So for example, this is casework, or actually I just copy and paste and then change the category by doing this. I think it's here. Yeah, so just change the category. So okay, so now we have casework, generic model, window, door, floor, actually ceiling. So actually I just tested these categories. Most of them are okay because I'm talking about tag. So when I try to tag them, so for example, this is a casework. If I TG tag, so the tag will be placed in the middle of the model. So same as this generic model. This is the window. Let me delete this one. Tag again. It goes to the outside of the family. That's fine. Still, next to the model in place. This is floor. That's okay. Still okay. So tag. Yep. So all good. So this is ceiling. All good. I'm not sure about other category, but the door. If you model a model in place family, door family, the tag will go. So you can see if I type TG with it, which is tag by category TG, and the tag, if I zoom out, you can see the tag go to here. So this I think this is quite interesting because this is the internal origin point. So if I type VV, go to site, type S, go to site, turn on the internal origin, you will see this is the internal origin of this project. Okay, so now if I copy this one here, so copy another one, so still door category, right? So if I TG again, so as you can see it still go to here. So if I let me just delete this tag, so this tag belongs to this, and then if I tag again this, it go here. So this is quite annoying because sometimes when I have a project and have a lot of doors, sometimes I when I try to create a quite specific, quite special door, like sometimes I just do it using model in place, right? So but then when I try to tag, it just go to it's not in the next to the family. So this is very annoying because you need to go find it first. Okay, so sometimes it's hidden in the model, right, somewhere, and then you need to drag it back to that door. So this is it's not good. So how can we fix this? Okay, so let me show you how. Okay, so what you need to do is just go edit this family. Okay, edit this model in place door family, and then create or maybe two reference plan. Okay, so what we need to do is just draw one reference plan here and draw another one. So now, let's select these two reference plan and tick this box, define origin. Or maybe actually let me try only having one. Okay, so if we only have one define origin, let's have a test. Finish, TG again. Now it goes here. So which I believe if we place another one, so let's just do another one here, and also define origin. Okay, so now finish, and then tag. So now this tag will stay in the middle of this family. Okay, so let's try TG this one. This one's still the old one. So let's now if I try, I can't copy this one. look, yeah, so we can move it. Interesting. When I try to copy it, it's stay in this same place, but that's fine. We can move it and tag TG. So now you can see, oh, interesting. So at least this tag will stay with the family instead of, go to the internal origin. Okay, so so this is it. So it's quite interesting one. But if you happen to use model in place in your project, and this can help a little bit. I think it's too short, this one. Maybe I'll quickly show you. Okay, so now I'm going to model a door. Okay, so sometimes we might need to hang on, let me just use wall opening. So oops, and I'll just create an opening using this. I'll use base constraint, top constraint. So base from 0, top maybe 2400, and give it width 900. Okay, so now we have an opening, right, on this wall. So okay, so let's say I want to place a pivot door, and I don't have that family, and instead of trying to create a family, so I'm going to just model it in place. Okay, so let's quickly do it. So I'm going to use model in place and I use door category. Okay, and then first I'm going to just use extrusion, and then in the plan, so I'm maybe just draw something like this. I wanted this to align with this surface. Okay, so I maybe make it maybe 45 mil. Okay, so in this, and then 2400 height. So this is the panel when it's closed, right? So finish. So but in the floor plan, I don't when I finish this one, I don't want to see this door as closed. I want to see the when it's opened. Okay, but in the model, I want to see this extrusion. So we go to here. So edit, visibility graphic overrides, and I'll just turn off the plan and RCPs. Okay, so it will be visible in elevations, so this way, and then visible in 3D view, but not from plan view. So click OK. So now then we need to create the opening panel, so on plan view. Okay, so that will be symbolic lines. So I'm going to just use draw a rectangle, and I'm going to use a subcategory door cut. Okay, so door cut, so it will be showing the same line weight as the door panel. Okay, so for this one, so maybe I'm just going to just draw it over this door panel, so make sure it's the same size, and I'll just tab select this line. I'll just use rotate RO. And then I'm going to just pick a point, the pivot, the hinge point. So I'm going to maybe roughly here. Okay, so and then rotate it by 90 degrees. So now I have this door when it's opened. Okay, so and then we just need some plan swing. So again, go to annotate symbolic line and go to subcategory. So there's a plan swing, so projection. So I'm going to just roughly use a center and arc, use this draw from here to here, and then from here. So now this is it. Okay, so this is it. So now if I finish this model, so you can see this is a door when it's opened, right? So this is a pivot door. And in 3D view, you will see the panel when it's closed here. Okay, so now the issue is, so like I'll just place another door, DR door. So if normally when we tag a door, so the tag is close to the door, right? So this tag is quite ugly. And then if we tag this door, the tag will go to the internal origin of this project. So you'll see if I tag here, it will go here. So it's very annoying. So if we need to, every time we tag model in place store, and we need to drag the tag back. So instead of that, we can just quickly create a couple of reference plan, okay, and then check this box and finish. Now you just need to tag the door. Okay, so this is it. Yeah, I only find that the door category is having this issue. I'm not sure about other category. So yeah, if you find you have the same issue on other category families, so maybe you can try this one as well. Okay, so that's it. If you yeah, sorry, I've said that. Yeah, so once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.